Hey guys, welcome back to the e-commerce roundtable. This is Paul Samia. I'm glad you can join me today. I want to talk to you about opt-in pages. Okay, why are they important? Why do you need them? And what the heck are they? Okay. I get a lot of people asking me, do I even need an opt-in page? I usually tell them, well, it depends. It depends on what you're selling, right? It depends on how you're selling it. It depends on where your customers are coming from. Okay. So what I usually do, 95% of the time, is I'll have an opt-in page. Why? Because I want to collect that person's email address whether they buy or not. Because the email list is probably the most important thing in your business. Imagine your body without a skeleton. Okay, you would just be a clump of flesh and blood on the floor. Okay, that's what an email list is for your business. It's the skeleton. All right, it's the framework holding everything together. Those are all your customers that you can continue to retarget over and over and over and over again. Okay, so the opt-in page, it's pretty important. All right, if it's cold traffic and you're sending these people to your website for the first time, send them to an opt-in page. All right, now the perfect opt-in page for me, and I see a lot of people doing this, and I think it's very wise, and I think you should do it too, is simplicity. Okay, the more simple your opt-in page is, the easier it's going to be for that customer looking at it to opt in. Okay, don't overload them with information on the opt-in page. That's what the sales page is for. All right, so I'm going to show you a quick example of an opt-in page over here at my computer. All right, guys, so this is one of my dropship stores, okay? For those of you that have been following along, it might look familiar, but this is a store that is converting for me pretty well, all right? This opt-in page is working very, very well. And as you can see, it is very, very simple, okay? I have a hook, okay? Stop dropping your phone, get 2 free air vents holders right now, okay? I have another hook, driving, then park your phone, okay? And then I have my story, and then I have my offer, okay? And that's it. That's all you need for an opt-in page. All I want to do is get their email address, okay? Do not overcomplicate this. I see it all the time. I see opt-in pages with 5, 6 pictures, with long-form sales letters. I'm just like, no, okay? What you're doing is you're paying for somebody to come and see this, and then when they get here, you're scaring the crap out of them, and they're leaving. All right. You want them to opt in because once they opt in, you know they're interested. Now, once they opted in, you could show them the 6 pictures. You can show them the sales letter. You can make them read a whole novel of about the product. Okay. But when it comes to the opt-in page, keep it super simple, and that's it. All right, that's the magic behind it. Just keep it simple, streamlined, easy to read, easy to understand. All right. If you have a child at home around 7, 8 years old, show them your opt-in page, and then ask them, does it make sense to you? What are you getting? What's the offer? And if they understand, then you're on the perfect track. You're on the right. You're headed the right direction. Okay. Same thing with your sales page. Show it to your son. Show it to your daughter. If they understand what's going on, it's good. It's good to go. All right. The whole point of this is to take the confusion out of the buying process. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. This video is short and sweet, but I just wanted to let you know because I get asked all the time, do I need an opt-in page? Is an opt-in page important? If your traffic is cold, yes, absolutely. Okay, if your traffic is warm or hot, meaning they are already in your email list, they have already seen your stuff, they've already opted in. Hot means they've already bought from you. Okay, when it comes to that, you already have their information. You can send them directly to a sales page. Okay, but if you're gonna send cold traffic to your sales funnel and start from scratch, always send them to an easy to understand, simple, and quick opt-in page. What I mean by quick, they put their email in, they hit the button, they're done. Okay? All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. Opt-in page is super important. Sometimes. All right? So evaluate where you are, evaluate who your audience is, evaluate where you're sending them and where they're coming from, and then you'll know whether you need an opt-in page or not. All right, guys. Thanks again. This was Paul Samia with the E-Commerce Roundtable. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, ask me questions. I'm happy to help, happy to answer. Besides that, if you feel like someone can get some value out of this, send them over here. Share the video with them. Besides that, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.